we're here right now at Tisa, and we're gonna check out the two best halo-halo places here. First up, we have Sol's Halo-Halo and Dessert, and just a few steps away is Moonbees Halo-Halo. So we're gonna choose which one of them is the better halo-halo. So here are the judges today. Lena Bukay.
Lami ang halo-halo ba? Pero ko pala kung saan ang halo-halo.
Rigel More.
Cagayan.
Leia of Iligan.
Cagayan.
Leia of Iligan. And Joey Hospital of Hingog.
Representing Hingog City. Basta ilong.
Representing imong mama. Imong mama.
So now, atong suwayan ng halo-halo sa sauce. Kami kayang ice. Yan na siya nangka, na mangga, na cornflakes, ug gelatin, ug ubi, halo. Ubi ice cream.
Bay, sa sobraan ko namin, bay. Naigo akong kalag, bay. Mga ngalal tag sauce, bay. Di ko kasulit karon bay, kibuno ang baba, bay.
Namin kaya siya ba tapos lahi siya kay halo-halo is usually majority mga 80% shaved ice ba kani ka wala ice good ba ice cream lagi tanan yawa ice cream
Wala yung shave. Wala yung shave. Lami kayo, bay.
wala shave ay
Initial reaction pag tilaw na ako.
Kumalugmig.
Kinamayan si Leia.
Ay, yung gusilirin ko malugmig sa akong ipamix sa akong halo-halo. Ako na ni? Ako na lang ni.
murag na
Uy, ayaw ni Jan.
ay sayang
Mamaya na halo-halo. Ang fairness.
Uy, uy.
Mamay ka no? Wala. Ano yun, nani? Ice cream na doon. Kaya tayo.
Ice cream and ice.
Ay, ito, baka pa tayo. Ano ito?
Murag ice cream ang yung ice juice mismo.
Kani ice snake? Kaning yellow?
Ano yellow?
Cream.
Ay, nana siya gatas taan ang ice.
Guys, lami man jud ang Marits halo-halo sa Hingoog. Pero yes, I think mo ni pinakalaming halo-halo ang ako natilawan. Promise.
honest ba
Pero po katilaw og inani nga super creamy.
sa una
Agree
kay
kayo sa-
chowking man ang kami karon kanina ba
Kani, lami kay siya.
No, dili ka siya tamis. Dili ka overpower.
Perfect lang
dili
ba?
po siya tapong
Yes, halo! Hallelujah! Kaong halo-halo!
So we failed to eat at two halo-halo places because Moonbees is closed on Sunday. So we end up eating at Sol's, and I think based on the reactions of my friends, they really love it. So far, according to Jomi, it's the best halo-halo ever. So yeah, I've tried Moonbees before, and I think yes, if you compare it, I would definitely say they're different. They have different philosophies in making a halo-halo. Moonbees is more like you put a lot of candies, wafers, which is also good if you're a kid, if you're a sweet tooth. But this time in Sol's, it's really fruits, and the ice is just the best. Wow, it's like ice cream all the way. Plus the ube ice cream is like, if you like creamy, sweet, and delicious, halo-halo, definitely Sol's would be one of the best. So how about you guys? What's the best halo-halo in Tisa or in Cebu? Hit us up with a good comment. Come on. And thank you for watching this video.